Hello students, welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today I Taruna Seni is going to start a new chapter in your mathematics subject, that is time and work. So students, time and work are directly proportional to each other. Time and work are directly proportional to each other. In other words, if you want to do more work, you need more time. For more work you need more time. If you will do the less work, it will require less time. Suppose there is a rule, if a person P completes a work in n days, there is a person P and he can complete the work in n days. How many days the person is taking? N days. So the work completed by him in one day is 1 by n. So if the work is completed in n days, so his one day work is 1 by n. Or you can say if the one day work is 1 by n, so number of days he can complete the work is n. So if the total work can be completed into total number of days n, then one day work will be 1 by n. So we have to use this tactics in solving our exercise. So let's start. Minty can do a piece of work in 12 days. Minty and Rinky together can finish the work in 8 days. Find the number of days Rinky can finish the work. So here you can see that Minty can do a piece of work in 12 days. So what is Minty's one day work? Minty's one day work will be 1 by 12 because he can complete the work in 12 days. But if Minty and Rinky will together do a work, they can complete the work in 8 days. They can complete the work in 8 days. So what is Minty's and Rinky's one day work will be? One day work will be there 1 by 8. Minty alone can do in 1 by 12. Minty and Rinky together can do in 1 by 8. So what is the time Rinky's one day work? So how much work Rinky can do in one day? 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. Take LCM, that is 24. 8 3s are 24. 12 2s are 24. That is 1 by 24. Means the number of days in which Rinky alone can finish the work. Alone. So one day Rinky's one day work is 1 by 24. So how much time Rinky will take? 24 days. One day work is 1 by 24. So he will take 24 days. So the work left, if Rinky does work for 4 days. Okay, if she will do for 4 days, 1 by 24 we have find out for 1 day. Rinky's one day work is, we have already calculated, that is 1 by 24. So if Rinky do the work for 6 days, so Rinky's 6 days work will be 1 by 24 multiplied by 6. That means 1 by 4. So how much work is left? 1 by 4 she is completing in 6 days. Okay, 4 days, 1 by 6. So what is the remaining work? What is the work left? Remaining work will be 1 minus 1 upon 6, that is 5 by 6. So firstly what we have done, Minty can do work in 12 days. So Minty's one day work 1 by 12. Rinky's one day work will be 1 by 8. So Rinky's one day work will be 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12, that is 1 by 24. Number of days in which Rinky alone can complete the work is 24 days. If Rinky can do the work for 4 days, so I multiplied by 4, that is 1 by 6. So in 4 days she completes 1 by 6. So how much work is left? 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. Now question number 2. 10 workers can earn rupees 4800 in 4 days. So there are 10 workers, there are 4 days, so they can earn 4800. If there are 10 workers, 1 day, so what is their earning? 4800 divided by 4, that is 1200. If there are 1 worker and he do the work for 1 day, so earning is 1200 upon 10, that is 120. But how many worker are there? There are 8 worker. So 8 worker when do the work for 8 days, it will be 960. But if 8 worker work for 6 days, then it will multiplied by 6, 960 into 60. So that is 5760 rupees. Okay, so 10 worker earn 4800 in 4 days. So in 1 day they will earn less. So I divide by 4, 1200. Then for 10 workers they are earning 1200, so one worker will be getting 120, 8 worker will be getting 960, and if they work for the 6 days they will earn rupees 5760. Now the next question, question number 3, that is Arushi and Devesh are making a painting. Arushi and Devesh are making a painting. Together they can complete the painting in 20 minutes. Okay, so their one day work is 1 by 20. If Arushi alone is making the painting, then she completes in 30 minutes. So it is 1 by 30 minutes. So if Devesh will do alone, so how much Devesh can do? 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. Take LCM, that is 60. 1 by 60. So Devesh alone can complete the work in 60 minutes. But question is, in how many minutes will Devesh finish the painting? If they work for 10 minutes together, after that they fight and Arushi got away. So Arushi and Devesh work for 10 minutes together. So Arushi and Devesh 10 minutes work will be 1 by 20 multiplied by 10, means together they complete half work. Okay, so what is the work left? Half work they together complete in 10 minutes. So work left is 1 minus 1 by 2, that is half. Now Devesh is alone there. So Devesh can complete the work in 60 minutes. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 60. So Devesh alone can complete this work in 30 minutes. Okay, in this manner you have to complete question number 3. Then question number 4, Reena can make a doll in 6 days and Meena in 10 days and Kavya in 15 days. Reena and Meena work for 3 days. How long will it take Meena and Kavya to finish the work? Okay, so what is Reena's one day work, beta? Reena's one day work is 1 by 6. What is Meena's one day work? That is 1 by 10. What is Kavya's one day work? That is 1 by 15. And Reena's and Meena's together they can complete the work in 3 days. So Reena's and Meena's work is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10, that is LCM is 15. LCM is 30, 6 5s are 10 3s are 8 by 30, or you can write it 4 by 15. Okay, so Reena's and Meena's 3 days work. This is 1 day work. Now for 3 days work will be 4 by 15 multiplied by 3, that is 4 by 5. So Reena and Meena together can complete the work 4 by 5. So what is the remaining work? The remaining work will be, if 4 by 5 is completed, total work we always take 1. Total work is 1. 4 by 5 is completed. So what is the remaining work? Remaining work is 1 minus 4 by 5, that is 1 by 5. Now Meena's and Kavya's work. Okay, so just as you calculated for Reena's and Meena's, now you can calculate for Meena's and Kavya's one day work. So when you add 1 by 10, okay, Meena's and Kavya's work for 1 day. So Meena's work for 1 day is 1 by 10. Kavya's 15 days complete. So 1 by 15, take LCM, that is 30. 10 3s are 15 2s are, that is 5 by 30. That is 1 by 6. So Meena and Kavya can complete the work is 1 by 6. But how much work is left? 1 by 5 work is left. 1 by 5 work is left. And together they can complete in 6 days. So 1 by 5 multiplied by 6, that is 6 by 5. So in 6 by 5 days, Meena and Kavya can complete the work. So in today's class, I have taught you the question 1 to 4. You have to complete question 1 to 4. Thank you so much. God bless.